Breaking update that we are getting so far, where this is another significant step by the Ministry of Education, which is now decided to entrust the CBI or the Central Bureau of Investigation to look into the matter of the alleged irregularities in the conduct of the NEET examination. The government, meanwhile, that has also formed a 7-member committee headed by former ISRO Chief Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, which aims at transparent conduct, data security and improvements in the functioning of the NTA. We have Isha joining us live right now. Isha, good morning. Today, yet another examination was to be held. That has now been postponed. We're looking at series of action that has been initiated on part of the NTA, with also comes the removal of the DG. Tell us more about exactly when it comes to the steps so far that has been taken.
Right, yes, Amita, very good morning to you as well. In fact, the back and forth about the NEET examination has been on for a very long time. In fact, now the Ministry of Education has come in and formed this 7-member committee. In fact, it's headed by the ISRO chief, but also includes prominent doctors like Dr. Randeep Guleria as well. So that is something that comes from the list that has been declared. But this exam, the exam that has been postponed, it is being stated that that sources are suggesting that the adequate measures were not there. In fact, they were not sure if the examinations could be taken in a proper, the examination would have been able to take on in a proper fashion. But a CBI probe has now been ordered in the cases of malpractices. In fact, in Haryana, where we were reporting from, there were several cases of malpractices that were appearing. In fact, there was even a report about how a different set was in fact distributed to the students, and then it was later taken back. But since that students actually write in an OMR sheet and fill an OMR sheet, it is difficult to reverse that. So that is what the students have been suggesting. But again, then a lot of grace marks were provided. In fact, some have also suggested that the CCTV visuals camera was not working properly. 2 CCTV cameras need to be working in an examination where NEET is taking place. One by the Ministry of Education, and one by the local school. So yes, a lot of checking is going to be taking place now, and now that the CBI will be heading this probe, a lot of more loopholes to be appeared from it. Back to you.
All right, keep us updated on the same, Isha. Please continue to be with us, because we have been also talking about the anger that has been mounting. We've been looking at protests that have been taking place in different cities over the cancellation of the NEET PG examination as well. Student unions have been seeking answers from the government, saying that why are you informing us at the last moment? The government should rather clarify the reasons behind the move. So, Isha, in the meantime, the protests have been taking place. Of course, majority of the protest till now that has taken place is part on political parties and the student union wings.
Right, yes, Amita, a lot of protests have been taking place. In fact, a lot of politics has also broken out over this particular cancellation of the NEET exam. But again, the student unions are now suggesting that why cancel something at the last moment? In fact, all their preparations were due, and this is just like playing with their careers, is what they are alleging. In fact, yesterday when we tried to get a word from the students, all of them did not talk. They were preparing for the exam, and they said that they in fact held the NET and the NTA and the Ministry of Education responsible for not being able to conduct exams in a fair fashion. So that is what the students have been alleging. And now the Aam Aadmi Party has also raised a protest, had also protested in the past. In fact, NSUI, which is a wing of the Congress, was also leading a protest, and they have been protesting at the Ministry of Education as well. In fact, the ISA and other left groups have also been protesting. So yes, a lot of anger when it comes to these is not being able to be conducted in a fair fashion and in a just fashion. So yes, today also we might see protests erupt.
Well, remains to be seen, because today yet another exam that was to be held that has been postponed. More dates and likely when the examination would be held next, that is yet to be decided on part of the said authorities. Isha, please to continue to be with us. Let's listen into some reactions coming in from the protesters.
एट द लास्ट मोमेंट 10 घंटे पहले एग्जाम से एग्जाम को पोस्टपोन किया जा रहा है। मतलब ये बहुत ही एक नीट यूजी के बाद एक नया स्कैम, नीट यूजी का स्कैम हुआ। इसका मतलब सरकार को ये पूरा भरोसा था कि एग्जाम पेपर लीक हुआ है। ये पहले नीट यूजी का एग्जाम लीक हुआ, उसके बाद भी अभी तक सरकार ये काम चल ही रही है। उसके बाद नीट पीजी, जो कि डॉक्टर्स का एग्जाम है, 2 लाख MBBS डॉक्टर्स इस एग्जाम को देने वाले हैं। नीट पीजी को इतना बड़ा एग्जाम है ये। 10 घंटे पहले लोग कहां सेंटर से 500 किलोमीटर कोई कहां से दूर से आया हुआ है, जो डॉक्टर्स हैं उनके साथ पूरा खिलवाड़ किया जा रहा है। ये उनकी हेल्थ के साथ मेंटली टॉर्चर किया जा रहा है ये सरकार के द्वारा। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एज वेल एज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन सभी इसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं। ये कोई तरीका नहीं होता। एट द लास्ट मोमेंट पे उन्होंने ये बोल दिया, जवाब दे दिया।
Well, that has been the reactions that have been coming on part of many of the student union or the wings of political parties who have been up in arms and that have been now gunning for the centre, gunning for the education ministry and for the minister himself. They have been saying that why this last minute information that has been given to the students that actually brings down their morale. They have been preparing for a very long time, and the last minute cancellation only or the postponement of the examination will only hamper their confidence.